Hello friends, welcome back to Chinka TV.
We are Chinky and Bunny, and today we are flying into the amazing world of birds.
Get ready to meet colorful birds, learn fun facts, and discover their special abilities.
Some birds can fly high, some can swim, and some can even talk.
So spread your wings and join us for an exciting bird adventure. Bunny, today I want to meet a bird with a huge mouth and another bird that can dive into water like a superhero.
That's an exciting combo, Chinky. Today we are going to learn about the pelican and the kingfisher.
Wow, one sounds huge and one sounds super fast.
Exactly. Let's start with the pelican.
Whoa, look at that giant beak.
Yes, pelicans are famous for their large beaks and special throat pouch.
A pouch? Like a bag?
Exactly. The pouch helps pelicans scoop fish from water, hold food, drain water before eating.
So it's like a built-in lunch bag.
That's a perfect way to describe it.
Are pelicans good flyers?
Yes, even though they are large birds, pelicans can fly high, glide smoothly, travel long distances.
Wow, big bird, big wings.
Exactly.
Now tell me about the diving bird.
That is the kingfisher.
It's so colorful.
Yes, kingfishers are famous for bright blue feathers, orange chest, incredible diving skills.
How do they catch fish?
They sit quietly near water and watch carefully. Then, whoosh! They dive into the water and catch fish with their sharp beaks.
Like a tiny underwater rocket.
Exactly.
Little pads so big and white, big, big pelican full of pride. Little bird that dives so fast, big, big splash that doesn't last. Little wings above the sea, big, big adventures wild and free. Little birds both smart and bright, big, big wonders in our sights.
Bunny, which bird is bigger?
The pelican is much bigger.
And which bird is faster?
The kingfisher is much faster when diving.
Size versus speed.
Exactly.
What do pelicans eat?
Mostly fish.
And kingfishers?
They also eat fish, small water animals.
Both love seafood.
That's right.
Let's compare them.
Pelican, huge beak and pouch, large bird, excellent glider, scoops fish. Kingfisher, small colorful bird, fast diver, sharp beak, expert hunter.
One scoops fish and one dives for fish.
Perfect comparison.
Do they live near water?
Yes, pelicans often live near oceans, lakes, rivers. Kingfishers also live near rivers, streams, ponds.
Water is their favorite place.
Exactly.
Little pouch that holds a treat, big, big bark and loves to eat. Little diver, swift and bright, big, big splash and speedy flight. Little birds by water blue, big, big wonders just for you. Little feathers, little feet, big, big bends are fun to meet.
Pelican and kingfisher are both amazing.
That's right. Now let's revise. Pelican is a large bird with a huge pouch that helps it catch fish. Kingfisher is a colorful bird that dives quickly into water to catch food. One is known for its big pouch, and one is known for its amazing diving skills.
One is the big pouch bird and one is the master diver.
Perfect summary, Chinky. Today we learned some amazing facts about birds.
Every bird is unique, special, and important to nature.
Let's protect birds by caring for trees and keeping our environment clean.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chinka TV.
See you in the next bird adventure. Bye bye, friends.